Stress is simply how your body and mind react to pressure. We all feel it, don't we? It's that little buzz of worry, the tight shoulders, or the mind racing when you would much rather be sleeping. When life gets a bit much, it is perfectly normal to look for something to help you feel better. Many people are turning to natural ways to find a moment of peace. It is about having a little toolkit you can turn to when the world outside feels a bit loud and you just need to quieten things down inside. Essential oils offer a lovely, gentle way to do just that. They are not magic potions, of course, but they are a rather wonderful support system. Let's talk a bit more about stress. Imagine your body has an alarm system. When you face a challenge, like a big deadline at work or a difficult conversation, that alarm goes off. It releases hormones that make your heart beat faster and your muscles tense up, getting you ready to act. This is perfectly fine in small doses. The trouble starts when the alarm is always on, even just a little bit. That constant state of high alert is chronic stress, and it can leave you feeling drained, anxious, and overwhelmed. This is where our sense of smell comes in. When you breathe in a scent, the molecules travel to the limbic system, the emotional center of your brain. If you're going to start with just one essential oil, make it lavender. It truly is the king of calm, used for centuries to soothe mind and body. Clean, floral, instantly recognizable. Lavender promotes deep calm and better sleep, a lullaby in a bottle. Its natural compounds have a gentle sedative effect on the nervous system, turning down the volume on stress. Slow a racing heart, quieten anxious thoughts, and release physical tension. Use an electric diffuser. Add 5 to 10 drops and let it run for 20 to 30 minutes before bed, or simply inhale a couple of drops on a tissue. For massage, mix 2 drops into 10 milliliters of carrier oil. Do a small patch test first. After lavender, Roman chamomile is another wonderfully gentle hero. Soft, sweet, slightly apple-like, comforting like a warm hug. It soothes anxiety and guides you towards sleep when your mind won't switch off. Nurturing and calming. Diffuse about 5 drops as you wind down. For steam inhalation, add a single drop to warm water and breathe gently for a few minutes. A foot rub is deeply relaxing. Feet are rich with nerve endings. If you are allergic to ragweed family plants, you may be sensitive. Always patch test. Take care and enjoy. While some oils are for winding down, others lift you up, and bergamot is the star of that show. Extracted from the rind of a citrus fruit, a cross between lemon and bitter orange. Its scent is fresh, slightly floral, and wonderfully zesty. It lifts a low mood and eases nervous tension. Unique because it's both uplifting and calming, a superb daytime oil. Its cheerful aroma is linked to reduced stress hormones like cortisol and a better mood. Diffuse 5 to 8 drops in the morning for a positive, focused atmosphere. For a quick reset, place a single drop on a cloth and breathe deeply. Mix 2 drops with a carrier oil and apply to wrists or the back of your neck. Important. Bergamot can cause photosensitivity. Avoid sun-exposed skin for 12 to 18 hours. If heading out, use it where clothing covers the skin. Let's travel to the tropics with our next oil, ylang-ylang, pronounced ylang-ylang. Steam distilled from large, fragrant, star-shaped flowers, intensely sweet, rich, floral, an exotic, heady aroma. It induces deep relaxation and balances mood. Wonderful for releasing emotional tension. It can help slow a rapid heart rate and reduce high blood pressure. Diffuse just 3 to 5 drops. Beautiful with bergamot or frankincense. For sleep, a single drop on your pillow. Use sparingly. Too much may cause a headache or nausea. Start with a drop or 2. Less is more with this exotic beauty. Now for an oil that is truly ancient and revered, frankincense. Derived from the resin of the boswellia tree, used for millennia in ceremony and medicine. Woody, earthy, slightly spicy, deeply comforting. Its main benefit is grounding and focused calm. It encourages slower, deeper breathing, one of the quickest ways to calm the nervous system. It quietens distraction and brings perspective. Exceptional for meditation, prayer, or any reflective practice. Diffuse about 5 drops to create a peaceful, sacred feeling space. For an immediate grounding effect, inhale a single drop from a tissue, like pressing reset. Topically, mix 2 drops with carrier and massage your neck or along the spine. It's generally gentle and well tolerated. Still, a quick patch test is wise. Knowing about the oils is one thing. Real magic happens when you weave them into daily life. Keep it simple. Small routines make a big difference. Let's explore easy ideas for morning, midday, and evening. Before your phone, diffuse a bright blend for 20 minutes. Sweet orange with bergamot works beautifully. Stand by a window and take 3 slow, deep breaths. At midday, step away for 2 minutes. 1 drop on a tissue, breathe in, then take a short walk and stretch. In the evening, dim lights and diffuse lavender with chamomile for 30 minutes. Try a gentle 5-minute shoulder massage or 1 drop on the pillow edge. These cues tell your brain the day is over, helping you fall asleep and sleep more soundly. Getting started should feel exciting, not overwhelming. Start small and simple. You don't need every oil. Buy just 3, lavender, bergamot, and frankincense. They cover sleep, mood, and grounding. Add a carrier oil and a simple diffuser. In the morning, 3 bergamot plus 2 frankincense for 20 minutes. In the evening, 4 or 5 lavender. Make a daily massage. 2 lavender and 2 frankincense in 10 milliliters of carrier. Always dilute, patch test, and start small. Listen to your nose and your body. Try this simple plan and see how you feel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.